The way it works, from my point of view, a member of the court, is you get a case, you read the briefs, you listen to the oral argument, and you try to make up your mind. And usually there are good arguments on both sides, much more than people think. And those who think, oh, well, this is just politics. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's politics when you're appointing a new justice. Every political group in the world goes to the president or the Congress, you say. But once the judge is appointed, it's different. That judge perhaps was appointed because some political group thought that that man or that woman's view of how you decide legal cases will lead to more results that I, a politician, like. They might think that. But that isn't what the judge thinks. The judge is thinking, what is the correct decision according to the law? And I promise you, I've written many dissents because I think that the majority has a wrong view of the law.